Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com. Let's take a look at this SuperSpring Custom Suspension Stabilizer and Sway Control Kit. Now this kit is going to fit various years, makes, and models of different types of motorhomes, so take advantage of our vehicle fit guide here at etrailer.com. Insert the year, make, and model of your vehicle, and our fit guide will confirm if this kit will work for you or if we have something comparable that will work for you. These helper leaf springs have a weight capacity of 6,800 pounds, and these are going to install above your vehicle's factory leaf springs to reinforce your vehicle's rear suspension, to help prevent sagging and reduce sway by up to 30%. These are going to work like sway bars to stabilize your OEM springs and keep them from twisting. And these are also going to compensate for windy conditions, wind turbulence from big rigs, and weight shifts from cornering. These are going to help lift your vehicle when you are carrying a heavy load to help prevent bottoming out. And these are going to extend the life of your brakes, your tires, and your factory suspension. Now I'd like to take a closer look here at this part of the kit. These springs will adjust automatically to your payload. The rollers on each end of the SuperSprings activate when your OEM springs flex under the load, and the rollers will deactivate when your OEM springs aren't under a load. These springs can be customized. The shackles attaching the SuperSprings provide several options for installation. You can choose a setting that increases load support and ride height for constant heavy loads, or to compensate for minor spring fatigue in an older vehicle. Or you can choose a setting that maintains the original factory ride conditions and minimizes effect on unload ride quality and height. And you can choose a medium setting that balances support, height, and ride comfort. Now these springs are made here in the USA. They are going to install relatively easily and simply. You're just going to bolt them above your existing factory springs. And what's nice about this kit is you're not going to have to worry about drilling. No drilling is required. Now for some models with factory springs that sit above the axle, the included poly spring pads that you see here are going to help prevent shifting, and the dense polyurethane blocks are going to seat between the top of the factory springs and the underside of the SuperSprings. Now these are going to require no maintenance. You don't have to worry about things like tubing or air pressure to monitor like with air springs. And again, I mentioned that the weight capacity is 6,800 pounds, but just be aware that SuperSprings do not actually increase your vehicle's weight carrying capacity, so you want to make sure that you're not exceeding your manufacturer's limits. These do have a limited lifetime warranty, and instructions are included to guide you through the installation process. Well, I think that's going to wrap up our look today. I do hope that our time together was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.